Hey guys, Dr. Tom Warren here. You're watching The Plant Doctor. 2 years ago, I did an unboxing and product review on this right here. This is the Ohio Steel 50-inch lawn sweeper. I'll leave a link to that video somewhere up here. But I've had it for 2 years and I wanted to kind of take a moment to brag on this thing. I have used and abused it and it has stood up to the test of time. I'm not sponsored by Ohio Steel, but this is a great product, and if you're looking for something to greatly reduce the amount of time you're spending in your yard, collecting leaves, collecting grass clippings, pine needles, this will get it all. I can't say enough good things about this. So on the front here, it says that it says 10 times faster than raking, collects lawn debris, and it lists the leaves and grass clippings and pine needles and cones and sticks, twigs, nuts, and it gets it all. Even small little acorns from water oak trees, which are very, very small, it'll pick it up. So I just wanted to walk over some features of this thing with you and show you how it works. So this is a very simple machine, and sometimes the most simple machines are the best machines. Let's talk about how it hooks up. We'll work from the front all the way to the back. It has a pin here, so you just line up the hitch of your mower to the pin receptor on the leaf collector, and you just drop your pin in like so, and you're ready to go. It's as easy as that. So for transport purposes, you don't want to ride with your basket down. So, and I've got some leaves I collected earlier, so you can easily transport it like this. And then when you want to collect your leaves, sitting from the chair of the mower, you can just lift up on this and that goes right back into place. It's as easy as that. You can set the height of your brush blades here on the side. So there's a pin here. You can adjust how high that pin is. And I've got it on the lowest setting because I have zoysia and Bermuda grass. I tend to cut it like 2 inches or so. So I've got it pretty low. If you're further up north and you've got like bluegrass or ryegrass or fescue or something like that, you may want to raise it a little bit higher. Also, if you want to transport this over an area you don't want to rake, say you've got a gravel driveway or a pea gravel walk, all you have to do is raise this right here, and that's going to keep those brushes from brushing those rocks up into your collector here. Then once you get to your area that you want to collect your debris, you just lower this back down and you're ready to go. I probably have well over 100 hours on this machine right here. I use it a couple times a week when I mow. I'm getting the grass clippings up this time of year when the leaves are falling. I'm out here at least once a week just collecting leaves as they come down. And the brushes have stood up against the test of time. So the brushes are still good and stiff. They're not bent backwards and not collecting things. So the brushes on this will last a very, very long time. So when there's no weight on the basket here, the bottom of the basket will actually float off the top of the ground. But as you get weight on it, the basket will sag and it will drag the ground. I have drugged this thing on concrete for probably hundreds of combined yards, if not thousands of yards. And it's done a really nice job of holding up. So if we look at the bottom of this thing, it's actually made of nylon, and you can see where I've drug it. You see the scratch marks on it, but it hasn't ripped. And that's what I'm after, really. I don't even see any signs at all of a rip or tear in this thing. There's a tiny, tiny, tiny one right here. But I've put, like I said, 2 years of wear and tear and just absolute abuse on it, and it's held up pretty well. So my backyard area it has a fair amount of leaves on it. It's not that bad right now, but we need to go ahead and clean it up. So the remnants of Hurricane Helene came through my area last week, knocked a lot of limbs down. It knocked some leaves on the ground. We're not near as bad as what's a couple of hours north of me here, but we did get a little bit of storm damage, nothing terrible. Nothing we can't clean up in an afternoon, especially with something like this. So what you're looking at now is me on the machine pulling it, and the video you're looking at it's only going to take me like 2.5 minutes to do the entire backyard. So this machine is really fast, really efficient. If I were to do this with a blower, it would take 20-30 minutes to blow them in a pile, and then from there pull out a tarp, get the leaves on a tarp, and then haul them somewhere else. It's a chore, and this cuts my time down probably by 90%. What would take 30 minutes to do before takes me like 2 or 3 minutes to do now. I'll make sure to leave a link below for this product. If you use that link to purchase this piece of equipment, you're going to help us out here just a little bit on the channel, and that's going to help us continue to do product reviews and put quality content out about landscaping in general. But if you're looking for a piece of equipment that you can really just abuse and not have to worry about maintenance and cleanup, look at this one. This one has definitely stood the test of time. Guys, as always, thank you for watching A Plant Doctor, and until next time, happy gardening.